If you have that, or if anyone from your family has it, be very careful in taking any medicine because this combination gives you a drug abuse. Either the doctor or you yourself will take a wrong medicine here. And I've seen that stress relief medicines have taken lives of people. Hare Krishna video on my walk again. This topic very important. You see, nowadays, for a smallest of a problem in our life, we go to doctors, we take medicine, we believe in surgeries, we believe in quick medication and quick results. For an example, if you have a headache, you take a painkiller. You have a small 99 fever, you go for a paracetamol, whatever. I mean, the smallest of the smallest problem, and there is a medicine for it. Diabetes. I mean, there has been agencies that have changed the scale of normal versus high glucose levels in your body, and then huge medicines. One thing I must tell you, I'm going to tell you a planetary position. If you have that, or if anyone from your family has it, be very careful in taking any medicine because this combination gives you a drug abuse. Either the doctor or you yourself will take a wrong medicine here. And I've seen deaths. I've seen deaths where anesthesia reacted. I've seen deaths where the tranquilizers, mind relief, stress relief medicines have taken lives of people. And to see that, I must tell you that you should look at Venus. And I say, hi, how Venus? How Venus is related to medicines? Well, Venus is related to reviving people or helping people to come out of the diseases when you've taken the medicine. How? Venus is technically known as Mrit Sanjeevani. I mean, he was the one who was granted Mahamrityunjaya. He was the one who has this capability of, bringing back to life a dead person. And, if you have Venus in 6th, 8th, or 12th, or if you have Venus transiting in 6th house or 8th house or 12th house, those times in your horoscope, there are 100% chances of a drug abuse. 100%. So you got to be careful. This Venus will give you, look at Michael Jackson's chart. I have researched on more than 1,000 charts where Venus in the 6th house, transiting in the 6th house, in the 8th house, or transiting in the 8th or 12th, specifically 6th and 8th, which is of high potency, have given a drug abuse, had led to homicides, and even when you are giving medicine to someone and you have your Venus in the 6th house, be very careful. And I would want people to avoid surgeries or avoid treatments in the hospital if you have Venus, Shukracharya transiting in these houses. Something very, very important and conscious, way of living life. Otherwise, Venus in the 6th house, don't take unnecessary medicines. Don't overtake medicines. Don't mix medicines. That's something which is very, very important. If you like it, do subscribe, share. I'll come back with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna.